What if I told you the 1,000-kilometer electric car isn't the future anymore? It's already obsolete. Because China just revealed a solid-state battery so powerful, it could make gas cars completely irrelevant forever. For years now, we've been saying the same thing. Electric cars will truly change everything once solid-state batteries arrive. And until recently, that future looked exciting but still limited. Most of the solid-state batteries expected to hit production in the next 12 to 18 months are targeting around 400 watt-hours per kilogram. That's already impressive. It's roughly double the energy density of today's lithium-ion batteries. So if you drive an EV today with about 600 kilometers of range, a solid-state upgrade could push that close to 1,000 kilometers. And yes, that sounds incredible. But today's story makes that look almost disappointing. Because one Chinese battery company has just revealed something on a completely different level. China's solid-state battery giant WeLion New Energy has announced laboratory results showing an energy density of 824 watt-hours per kilogram. Let that number sink in. That's not double today's batteries. That's nearly 4 times the energy density of many EV packs on the road right now. And it gets even more shocking. According to WeLion's chairman, Yu Heren, this isn't the end goal. The company is targeting over 1,000 watt-hours per kilogram in the long term. If that happens, the EV industry changes permanently. Let me put this into real-world terms. I drive an Xpeng G6 with an 87 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Right now, that gives me about 570 kilometers of real-world range. If you replace that same battery pack, same size, same weight with WeLion's 824 Wh/kg solid-state battery, you wouldn't get 1,000 kilometers. You'd be looking at well over 1,500 kilometers of range. That's nearly 1,000 miles on a single charge. At that point, range anxiety doesn't disappear, it becomes a joke. Now, WeLion didn't just make a bold claim. They were very specific. Our laboratory tests have demonstrated solid-state batteries with energy densities reaching 824 watt-hours per kilogram, and we expect to break the 1,000 Wh/kg barrier in the long term. But there's a catch, and it's an important one. Cost. Right now, these batteries rely on sulfide-based solid electrolytes, which use expensive raw materials. That means mass adoption won't happen overnight, at least not in affordable cars. Instead, these batteries will arrive exactly where I've been saying for years they would. Luxury vehicles, high-end EVs, and supercars, price-insensitive markets where safety, performance, and prestige matter more than cost. And here's where it gets even more interesting. WeLion says one of the earliest real applications for these batteries won't even be cars. It will be humanoid robots. Why? Because robots demand extreme energy density, absolute safety, and compact power. Exactly what solid-state batteries offer. Now let's talk about why this company matters. WeLion New Energy was founded in 2016 as a collaboration with the Chinese Academy of Sciences Institute of Physics. This isn't a startup guessing its way forward. Their founding team includes Professor Chun Lichuan, widely known as the father of China's lithium battery industry, and the doctoral advisor to Robin Zhang, founder of CATL, the world's largest battery manufacturer. This company is deeply connected to China's battery research elite, and they've already proven they can deliver. In 2023, WeLion supplied NIO with 150 kilowatt-hours semi-solid-state battery packs, enabling over 1,000 kilometers of range in a production electric SUV. Not a concept car, not a prototype, a real vehicle on real roads. Today, WeLion operates 4 production facilities across China, with a current capacity of 28 gigawatt-hours and plans to scale beyond 100 GWh annually. Their Shenzhen facility is already serving as a solid-state testing and validation center, with full-scale production targeted around 2027. And here's another big signal this company is for real. WeLion is preparing for an IPO, backed by CITIC Securities, which would make it China's first pure-play solid-state battery company to go public. Their investors: Sequoia Capital, Hillhouse, Huawei, Geely, Xiaomi, NIO, some of the biggest names in global technology and automotive manufacturing. So when will we actually see these 824 Wh/kg batteries on the road? My honest guess? 2028 to 2029, but only in vehicles priced above $100,000. By 2035, batteries in the 800 plus Wh/kg range will be mass-produced by multiple companies around the world. At that point, there will be no logical reason to buy a gasoline or diesel vehicle. Not for cost, not for range, not for convenience, not for performance. Internal combustion cars will feel exactly like horses and carts feel today. And people will ask, why did we ever think burning fuel was a good idea? The question is no longer if this happens. The only question left is how fast. So what do you think? Is solid state the final nail in the coffin for gas cars? Or will something else come next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more EV and battery breakthroughs, and I'll see you in the next one.